Intro. Welcome back to our channel, where today we'll be discussing the top 5 tips for optimal brain development. Tip 1. Engage in regular physical exercise to increase blood flow and oxygen to the brain. Tip 2. Consume a healthy diet rich in nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants to support brain health. Tip 3. Get enough sleep each night to allow your brain to rest and consolidate information. Tip 4. Engage in activities that stimulate your brain, such as puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill. Tip 5. Reduce stress levels through mindfulness practices, meditation, or engaging in activities you enjoy. These tips combined can help improve memory, cognitive function, and overall brain health. Remember, it's never too late to start implementing these recommendations into your daily routine. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful for maximizing your brain development. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos.